What's going on, everybody? Coming back at you guys after like 10, 12 months with a new video. We're going to be talking about baseball, NBA playoffs, home run props, all that. It's just been a long time since I made a video, but maybe we can all learn something. You can all sign up to my page. I charge nothing like per month, and I hit like the highest rate out there, man. So you got these other cappers who have no idea what's going on, charging like 500 a week, 500 a day, 500 a month. I charge nothing. Like, this shit's basically free. So if you want to join, I'll drop the link in the comments or some in the description. Y'all can join the page. But let's just talk about how scripted these home runs are. So today we hit Angels and we hit Trout home run. So second day hitting Trout home run, and the only way we could do that is by the numbers. Been hitting NBA, Sixers by the numbers. Like, look at this. They got their 56th win on May 6th. That code is like ridiculous. They even hit a 65.56 win percent. It was all just connected to the 56 right there. When you type in 76ers or Philadelphia, I forget which one is the 56 connect. Philadelphia, 76ers. Oh no, Miami Heat has the 56. Miami Heat has the 56. It was 5-6, and they got their 56th win on 5-6 date. So it's sitting at a 46-12 win percent on NBA. Not many picks. It's only like 58 picks this year, but just trying to like keep it. Like, when I drop an NBA pick, you guys can put whatever amount of money you want on it. It's gonna hit, and if it doesn't hit, I'll hit the next three. So NBA's been good, but I've been focusing on baseball because of these props and the odds you can get on these props. Manny Machado hit that last week. I don't know how many like home runs I've hit on the page this year, but it's got to be in the double digits by now. Hit that plus 410. He hit his 257th home run on 5-5. 257 is the 55th prime number. 2,557 days from his last home run on 5-5. And his last home run versus Miami was on 2/5/7 date, 7/25, July 25th. And he was playing the Marlins that day. So and he got his 257th RBI. So I bet the RBI, which was plus 145. And I bet the home run, which is plus 410. So right there was, I don't know how much. Everyone made a lot of money right here. Like, shit was easy. Everyone in the comments, making money, appreciating the work. Because I put a lot of work in for a low price. But my main shit is I'm just trying to make y'all money. Like, I'm trying to make myself money too. But there's days where, like, I post a play, right, and it wins. And I end up taking someone else's play, like, and I lose. But I'm just happy y'all won. So I got to do better at just betting the picks that I code, I think everyone has that problem. They like to parlay too much. They like to bet all the games. Like, it's not, you got to just pick your spots and bet like one game a day. Maybe like 2 games a day, 3 games a day, like 1 or 2 home run props. And I can guarantee that if you take only my picks, only my home run props, you'll make a lot of money. Like, my overall record is like 75, 74, 76% over 2 years now. So, you could literally lay $1,000 on every one of my picks, and you're gonna end up making a lot. So, but I'm not gonna say that I don't miss, because I do miss. Like, I hit 75%, I don't hit 100%. So, just bet responsibly, but I can guarantee you're gonna make money. So let's get into this Mike Trout home run. Yesterday, he hit his 317th home run. 317 days since his last game versus the Rays, and 371 days from his last home run versus the Rays. And 317 is the 66 prime number. So that 66, that satanic number, 317, 66, and he hit his 66th home run against left-handed pitchers. So, like, you can use this website called StatMuse. You just type in Mike Trout all-time home runs versus left-handed pitchers. Like, you can look up anything. So he hit that 66 home run against the lefty and the 317. It was all, like, that shit was all synced together perfectly, for real. So, like, when it all lines up like that, and he hit his 35th Monday home run in his 149th game. You can use this site to look up the prime numbers, because the prime numbers is really, like, all I look for. I look for date of birth, the numbers from their date of birth, and the prime numbers. So 149 is 35th prime. I just type in Mike Trout all-time home runs on Monday. It's going to say 35, 149, 35. Like, that shit is too perfect right there. So Trout cashed us yesterday, and I was like, shit. Like, last night I was looking at Trout, and I was seeing a lot of 318s in the Rays in the day. Like, the Rays fell to 18-13. And you guys know about Revelation 13:18, which is about the number 666, 600, 6. So it's a satanic ritual that went on in the Angels game tonight, and there's no way I would have known without knowing the numbers. And once you find out the numbers, and once you get, like, good at coding, like, it's like you unlock everything to the universe. Like, you got the key to the world right here. And it's not just sports. Like, everything is scripted by the numbers. And the people who control these sports, they're deep and they look up to numbers as their god, and they control all this. So they run number rituals through the games. And some of it's organic because it's just like the code of the world. Like, everything is coded perfectly. Like, these numbers are, like, crazy. Like, some shit I've seen in the past with these numbers, this shit just blows you away, especially when it comes through. Like, I remember last night I was looking at Trout. I'm like, if this shit comes through, man, that's fucking crazy. Because just cracked the code of the fucking everything about this game. Anaheim equals 138. Like, it doesn't matter if it's 138, 183, 381. It's all the same shit. If it all connects, then it's going to hit. And it was 131,880 days from the Rays starting pitcher day of birth, Corey Kluber. So he was born 131,880 days ago. And it was 8 months, 1 week, 3 days since he gave up a home run to the Angels. And Trout hit his 318th home run. And the Angels, the Angels hit 22-11, right? So they hit 22-11. 2211 is the 318th prime number. Like 2211, 318. So they improved to 22-11. He hit his 318th home run. 2211, 308th prime. The pitcher had the 138. The city had the 138. And I even looked at the score. They had 8 runs, 13 hits. Anaheim, the games in Anaheim, that's the city that they played it in, equals 138. Like, it was 22 weeks, 1 days from the Rays manager birthday. 1381 is the 221 prime. So, like, I really focus on the prime numbers, the date durations, and then you connect it with the gematria. And if y'all don't know what gematria is, you type in Anaheim, you see that 138, you see the 33, you just connect it to that. And today was 5-10, 5-1, 3-3. The pitcher had a 33. Like, everything just connects. So that was, like, the craziest code I've done in a minute. And I remember doing many codes on the 1318. I remember when the Spurs coach picked up his 1318th win, and he stayed on 666 losses. So his record was 1318, 666. And if you read this shit right here, 1318, 666, like, they're running satanic rituals. It was the Spurs coach, Greg Popovich, and his wife died with the 1318. Like, when he ran the date from her death to the game, it had 1318 in the weeks and the months and all that shit. So this shit is really fucking crazy. I just want y'all to tap in with me if y'all want. If not, it's all good. I'm going to be making more videos. I'll be covering baseball. Like, I do picks too. I don't just do home run props. Just last week, we were 17-4 run, 3-0 to start May. shit, this game was crazy too. This game was coded like a motherfucker. All these games, man. So come make some money with me. Hit me up. I usually drop like 1 to 2 home run props a day. Some days I take off. It all depends, but I'm gonna end this video here. I gotta get back, man. It's 11:22. Damn, it's 11:22. 2211, the 66 prime number, the Angels. See, these numbers are just talking to me right now. So I'm gonna get back inside. I'm gonna get back. Shit, I gotta drive home. I'm gonna get back to the lab and work on more picks for us, so we can make more money tomorrow. And I'll be making another video soon. And I hope y'all have a good night. And I'll be back with another one soon. Thank you.